Hello, magandang araw po. Happy birthday sa aming pinsan na si Sunny Boy na ika 50 years na kanyang kaarawan. And naway marating pa niya ang ika 50 ulit na taon na kaarawan. Ikaw, ano sabi mo?
Happy birthday, Kuya San. Sana maging mahaba pa ang iyong birthday. At lubayan kayo ng Diyos dyan.
Oh, umali ka din. Tutulog-tulog ka dyan.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa Tito.
Tito Sunny.
Oh. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sunny Lopez. Sa aking kababata na laging naglalaro noon sa bukid. Ngayon wala na. Puro baha na ngayon. Birthday mo ngayon. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your day. Stay guwapo. And higit sa lahat, stay safe and God bless and your family.
Happy birthday to Beauty Gonzalez. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. Ingat po palagi. Bye! Mwah!
Years to come. Enjoy your life and be happy always. Don't forget to pray to God. Thank you. Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power at lagi po ingat and I love you.
Sunny, happy birthday. And many more birthday to come. More and more blessing and always good health. Ingat ka palagi. God bless us all and family.
Happy 50th birthday, Sunny. Hindi ako makapaniwala na 50 ka na kasi alam ko malaki ang agwat ng edad natin dahil nakita ko pa ang nanay at tatay mo na kinasal. So, apparently 5 years lang pala tanda ako sa'yo. I wish you and your family good health. May all your heart's desire, dreams and wishes come true. I know that you are living a good life there in Canada, and may you continually enjoy being happy, contented, fulfilled together with your family. So again, happy golden birthday from your Tita Lynn or Tita B.
Happy birthday, Kuya Sunny. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sunny. Ingat kayo dyan.
Happy birthday, Sunny. I love you. Ingat kayo palagi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Sunny Boy. Happy birthday. Magpi-50 years ka na pala. Ano ko sa'yo, maraming blessing, magandang kalusugan, at higit sa lahat, naging mabait na pamangkin. Sige na, happy birthday. Ingat lagi Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Sunny. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sunny. Sana ay maging marami pang tao ang birthday ang magdaan sa buhay mo. At kung ikaw ay yumaman at nang maalala mo kami lagi, sana happy birthday. Happy birthday sa isang.
Happy 50th birthday, Sunny. Bago ang lahat, ibig ko muna magpasalamat sa iyo dahil isa ka sa ginamit ng Panginoon upang makarating diyan si Ronaldin. At alam ko rin
na sa edad mong iyan ay napakaraming pagsubok at karanasan ang nakamit mo na sa buhay at yan ang nagpatatag sa iyong buhay. Kaya't ang akin na lang dalangin sa Poong May Kapal ay bigyan ka pa ng maayos na kalusugan at mahabang buhay. Happy birthday ulit, Sunny!
Happy 50th birthday sa inaanak kong makisig na yun, magandang lalaki pa. Hindi nga halata na 50 years old ka na eh. Parang kalahati lang ang 50. Para bang 25 years old ka lang. Ito ay walang pambobola. Nagsasabi lang ko lang totoo. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo na anak ay naway sapiting ka pa ng maraming kaarawan. Laging malakas at malusog ang pangatawan at huwag magkakaroon ng karamdaman. At dalangin ko rin na sa kabila ng natatamo mong tagumpay sa iyong pamilya, sa iyong trabaho, naway maraming blessing pa ang makamit mo buhat sa ating Poong May Kapal.
Hi Kuya Sunny, on behalf of our family, we wish you a happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best and happiness in life and take care always.
Happy birthday!
Ayan, maganda. Okay. Who's next? Oh, Waki daw, Waki.
Hey, get back.
Sino naman? Oh, kami naman sa yung curly ng hair ko.
I'm not embarrassing you. I have to go to the volleyball thing today.
Huh? Nasi kuya.
He's gonna go tickle men's balls.
Picture muna ate. Sandali lang. Picture lang kuya.
Halika na, mag-picture na tayo.
Salamat sa pick-up ate.
Oh, no problem. Ano ang sabi nito?
Sasama ko.
Hindi, ano
naman?
ang sabi nito?
Remember their names, Patrick. You don't wanna play your dad's phone?
Bakit? Inom ka pa, ha?
It's okay. Isang punas lang naman yan.
Inom ka pa, ha?
It's okay.
Napakyan.
Guy! Quiet guy. You like it? No?
I'm for Sour Patch.
That's PhD level. Lots of writing. I'm doing my criminal justice stuff.
Let me know if you wanna go, ah. You go later, Anthony. You go later. So just stay here. You're not going somewhere. You stay here so we can. You stay here. I don't have work tomorrow.
No, cheap of police makes
Stay
that
here.
200 grand.
Up later. Underage pa yan. Sa Anthony ka.
Si Russell.
Nice job there. Mag-apply.
Si Russell, ba't ano?
Si Russell, inano ko din doon sa Facebook.
Si Russell. Hirap pa kausapin ni Russell.
Oh, ito yung cell. Tinarasta mo dito.
Ito ang pagkain namin. Oh, may buttered chicken pala eh. Ang pagka. Oh, meron pa nito. Gusto ko to, favorite ko to.
Meron pa doon, hindi ba once?
Sa ano ka nag-order? Sa Emerald? Then we have lechon. Baka sila ano? Yes, lechon.
May kawat pa.
Tagawa nila side. Hi, Michael. I wanna show it to Dico, Kuya Chris.
Busy?
Oh yeah, Tito Chris. How you doing? Invite me out there. Let me stay there.
Yeah, they have a nice house.
Yeah.
Let's do long drive. Bring your girlfriend there.
Yeah, I will.
I want to meet your girlfriend. Hello. Action. Pakita ko kay Dico. Vlog. Ganda ng gawa nila, oh. Ang galing. Oh, sa'yo ng pagka...
Alam mo, ito ba si ano pa, oh?
Anthony, get some.
Get some what?
That.
I don't drink.
You don't drink? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't like drinking. Tastes bad.
Tastes bad? Good, good, good.
Tastes bad, right?
Shut. Michael likes it. Nasaan na sila?
Picture mo na sila.
Picture ako sila. Blended na blended si nanay dun sa design eh. Nagbibihis na po tatay? Nagbibihis na po tatay? Para ma-picture ako kayo ng kuya.
Picture ako si Glenn.
Opo. Si Glenn po ba kailan nandating?
Mamaya, inasolso.
Ng gabi. Sala ko ng umaga.
Okay.
This is my first rodeo.
Ito na. Ito na, sabi.
You don't want to look at what's on my other text messages then. If you want to see that.
Hey, you're looking cute today. How are you?
You want to see like the bad text messages?
Can I see your titi?
Oh, shit! No, I'm just kidding. That's what it is. I gotta show you.
Hey, where do I start?
I'll show you bad text messages from my ex. Like,
Why are you keeping it? It's already an ex.
No, let's not show her this. Let's not show her this. This is not child safe. Where is it? One sec. Let me just see where. Let me just make sure this is like somewhat safe.
Wala na sila.
Okay, this one's safe. But...
Mali. Pinalo ka? Sorry. Sorry. Bakit mo pinalo si ano? Uy, bakit mo pinalo, Kyle? Hey, you don't. What do you want? There's the door there. Why you, ano?
I'm so, dude, my buddy is hyping. Like, my coworker at the time is hyping me up. Every second time I look through the movie and I start doing my research. I got big into it and then, especially right now. I got fucked.
Kyle, you okay?
Hindi, baliktad mo gano'n. Tapos,
Kyle, what do you want? Kyle, you want food? You want food?
Yung ano na lang.
Yeah, I haven't been into my stocks like the last couple months since like February. Well, just like that.
Kyle, be careful, ah.
Because it was already down.
Kyle. Kyle.
Honestly, like last couple months.
it's done, it's done. Did you buy stuff yet? I bought something. I bought it. I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything. What? Good dad. Lights! 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 Gosh! What the heck? What the heck? What's wrong?
Kyle, Patrick, you happy?
Yeah?
Yeah, I have lots of cousins.
Okay. Let's go. Thanks. Yes.
Hello.
Guys,
Look at him. He has 3 phones. Kyle. Why you have 3 phones? Kyle.
It's mine, remember? I'm bigger. You know that's a bad idea.
Sawa ka na rin kuya. Betay na naman. Papicture tayo ba?
Nasa 60 plus yun na, nakakuha lang yun ang picture.
More, Kyle, more.
Dahil sa mga 3T.
Kyle, more. Kyle, more.
Wala siyang tak.
You're scared?
No.
Put it outside. Ay, poke mo.
Good job, Kyle. Good job, Kyle. More, more.
Nasaan ang gunting?